if you are looking to build a capsule wardrobe and get pieces that can basically go with anything, you need to be on this haul series, okay? Hello and welcome back to All Things Janae. My name is Janae and I make beauty, lifestyle, nursing content, and I also share tips and things of how to become the best version of yourself. So if that's your vibe, come on over, sis. Come on over. We're back with another haul. If you guys have not been tuned in to my channel, we have gotten rid of all of our clothes in our closet and we are rebuilding from scratch. So I'm going to be doing a haul series so you guys can see the capsule pieces that I purchased along my journey of rebuilding my closets, because I'm 30 now and it's giving grown woman. So we're building our grown woman closet, okay? Out with the old childish clothes, in with the grown, that girl attire. So without further ado, we're gonna get into this haul because I have been waiting to open up this package. I didn't really get too many items from PrettyLittleThing, but I did want to get like some staple pieces and some pieces that can kind of like go with everything. And so that's what we are going to do. We have two bags for PrettyLittleThing that we are going to open. I honestly forgot what I purchased from them because it's been a minute since I purchased, and they just got here Monday and it's now Sunday. So I haven't even opened these packages yet because I've been waiting to get on here with you guys to open them together so we can see the quality and the pieces that we got, and to kind of remind myself of what the heck we purchased, because I just be online shopping and then I'll be forgetting what I done bought. Okay, so hopefully everything in this bag fits and hopefully everything is cutesy, the more, you know. Okay, so we are going to get into these pieces. As usual, we're going to open them up, see what we got, and then we'll try them on to see how they fit on me. Hopefully everything fits and I don't have to return anything. I haven't shopped from PrettyLittleThing in a while. I honestly haven't shopped in a while, and that's why we are rebuilding our wardrobe, okay? Because it's giving grown woman. So we're gonna open up the first package. Oh, these I think are my pants that I got. So these are cute. See, they actually look too big though. So I got these pants. I wanted like a cute set of like graphic pants, because you can honestly mix these up with different like tops. You can mix this up for fall. You can mix this up for summer. Like, this is definitely, I feel like, a capsule piece. Hopefully they're not too big. I got these in a size 12. No, these are size 8. Size 8. So US 8. But these are pretty big. One thing about PrettyLittleThing, they run a little big sometimes. So I might be able to fit them. We'll see. If not, if it's a little too big, I can always just get them altered. A lot of people don't understand, if you get your clothes too big, that is fine. Like, I'd rather them be too big than too small, because I can always get them altered to fit my body the way that I want them to. That's a tip on how to really get your clothes to fit you properly. Get your clothes altered. Like, get them fitted to your body so they can fit you properly, because that plays a role in how it look on you when you're wearing it, okay? A lot of people don't do that, and it's like, get your clothes fitted to you properly. Some stuff you may not have to do that, but other items you do. So we'll see what they're looking like. Hopefully they're not too big or too little, I'm sorry. But these items in here, I don't even know what's in here, but this is a bigger bag. I feel like with PrettyLittleThing, I didn't get as many capsule pieces. I kind of got like more cutesy pieces. I have another package coming from another company that we'll do a haul for that got more capsule pieces. But we got a lot more items in this one. I don't know why they ship those separately. I don't know if I purchased them separately or what. Okay, so let's see, because again, I forgot what I purchased, y'all. Okay, so this was actually a all black dress. The quality is giving. This is again a UK a size 8. So I wanted like a puffer dress because I feel like this you can wear through all seasons for sure. Like you can definitely mix this in all seasons. In the fall time, you could put this with some tights, some nice heels. In the summertime, you could also wear this too. Like this, I feel like you should have like a black dress, puffer dress if you want to be a little bit more cutesy girly. But this is definitely a capsule piece for sure. I'll try that on for you guys. I am definitely a sweat comfy girl, but I wanted my sweats to, give a little cutesy as well, not giving, childish. It's giving that girl still. It's stylish a little bit. But these pants, these sweats, are y'all seeing these? Like these are cute. I love that it has the pockets. I love, love, love pockets. And it just gives it more style. You can honestly, again, dress this up or down, depending on the look you're going for. So again, I wanted to get pieces that are capsule pieces that you can put with just about anything. I don't know if it came. No, I didn't get it was just those pants. I didn't get a jacket with it. Then we also got, oh, these are cute too. I don't know about the quality, honestly. It's giving kind of see-through. I'm not even gonna lie. Like I feel like, yeah. But I got all of these on sale. So I did not pay full price for all of these. These are just a pair of green pants. I feel like you can dress this up or down as well. And then it also came with, or you can pair it with this corset top as well. I wanted something like this, something sporty or just a cute little corset, build my corset wardrobe, because I feel like you can honestly put these with a lot of things too. So this was actually like a set together. And then I also got, again, let's hope all this fits, y'all. Now this one is cute, and this one is actually good quality. But I also got like this brown half top. This I wanted to get because I just wanted to, again, pair that, have different pieces to just match with different pants or bottoms and things of that sort. And this one is pretty. This is really cute. What else did we get? I don't even remember ordering this, but okay. I honestly don't remember ordering this, but I got another gray top. This is definitely me building for like the summertime for sure. Like concert vibe, like that's what it's giving. Because we are outside, okay? I'm tired of sitting in the house. We need to be outside, enjoying life. And the reason why I don't go outside is because I didn't have any clothes. I threw away all my clothes. Then I wanted to get just a little bag. This one is just a mini. I feel like this cheetah. I drew a blank for a minute, but the cheetah leopard print bag is definitely cute. It has like this string that you can tie on here as well and wear it as a crossbody. I wanted something to, have like if I wear different attire or go to different sporty events, I can have like a crossbody. I'm not sure if I'm 100% fan of like the black strap though. Or if we would just wear this, like I feel like if it was like a gold chain like strap, it would have ate. I'm gonna see if I could purchase one on my own to just make it do what it do, because you can, just mix and match. If you don't like something, make it yourself. Because I don't know how I feel about this black strap. It makes it like, yeah, I'm not really feeling it. And then I also got, I'm into like the headbands now, because especially like when I work out or have like different loungewear attire, I just want to have like different headbands. And this one was really cute. It's like a green or olive green headband, and it was really cheap. All of this stuff was like really cheap, so I'm like, it's on sale, why not? Why not? I think it was like $2. Yeah. And then I also wanted to build like my hats as well, because again, it's about to be summertime. And you can never go wrong with like some caps. Like bad hair day, throw on a cap, you can still look stylish and cute. I got 2 of those. 2 caps. I got one in orange and then one in this olive green type color, because I feel like these are kind of like basic colors that you can have, but I'm definitely just trying to build like my wardrobe to have different accessories and pieces and things of that sort, because that's what really make, you know, your outfit your outfit. So those are all of the items that I purchased from PrettyLittleThing. Again, I have more coming from another store that we'll do a haul for. But these are the pieces that I purchased to help start or kickstart my capsule wardrobe for PrettyLittleThing. All of these were on sale. Shop the clearance, especially at the holidays or season changes, to get pieces, because that's where you're able to get a bulk of stuff for really, 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 really cheap. So we're going to try these on, see how they fit, see if we need to return anything, and if they give it what they gave on the website, because they be looking good on the models, and then you get in, it's like, what is this? This is not what not the picture that I saw. But let's go ahead and try them on. Okay, so these are the pants that I thought was too big, and clearly they are not. This is what it's giving. I really like these. These are definitely giving like fun outing type vibes. Like, not even gonna hold you. They are very comfy. They aren't too tight. They fit like just right. They have a little bit of room in the back here, but I can always get that tapered to fit my waist properly. I love that it has like the little fun little pieces on the side, but this is definitely giving like fun outing with your girls, or even like a fun like date night type of vibe. These, again, you can pair this with anything. I feel like you could dress this up or down, but definitely like these. Definitely will be keeping these for sure. Ski. So these are actually a little tight, so I'm actually going to return these and get a bigger size, which I'm very sad about, because these were going to be like my go-to. But as y'all can see, these pants, these sweats, like it's giving jean and sweat. So you can dress this up or down, like for sure. I love, love, love this pocket. Like, PrettyLittleThing did their thing with this one. I'm just so sad that I can't fit these. I gotta see what size I got, but these are definitely a staple piece, capsule piece to have in your closet, because you can literally pair this with anything. You can pair this with anything. You could look stylish and be comfy at the same time, and that is definitely my vibe, because I'm really a chill girl. Love to be comfy when I'm out and about, and you know, I also like to look cute, so it gives you the best of both worlds. Definitely gonna return these so I can get a bigger size, because these are a must. It's really tight in this area, the butt area, honestly. The bottom, fine. It's just that booty be doing what that booty be doing, okay? But this is what it's giving. Definitely cute, stylish, comfy pants. Definitely recommend these pants, y'all. Okay, so these are the green pants that came with the set. I wanted to show you the bottoms first. The bottoms are pretty comfy. It does kind of give like a slighter cheaper material than the other pants. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but they are still cute. These are definitely giving like brunch vibes. Okay, so this is the set together. I do have on my bra still, so I did not feel like taking it off, honestly. It definitely gives corsets. It kind of smushes the boobs in a little bit for me. I don't want to say it's too little because I don't want to get like a bigger size and it's like not fitting properly. I feel like I could just adjust the ties in the back to fit the top a little bit better, like up here. But this is cute. I love the side open action where it's given like skin, but not too much skin where I don't like it or I feel uncomfortable, so to speak. This definitely, again, still gives me like brunch vibes. This also can even go for like a concert. It's like you can make this fit whatever you want it to fit. I definitely love this set together for short ski. Like it's definitely a piece or a capsule piece that I would like to have in my wardrobe. So this is the set. Pretty Little Thing never disappoints with the sets. I'm not even going to lie to you, but we are definitely going to keep her. Okay, so this is definitely a capsule piece that you can wear in multiple seasons. You can wear this summertime, you can wear this fall time and put this with like some tights underneath. I do feel like it's a little short in the back, so I don't want to show you guys. I might get a bigger size in this because yeah, the back is giving shorts for sure. I'll pull it down so you guys can see. But yeah, it is definitely a cute capsule piece to have in your wardrobe. Like I said, you can wear this up, down, springtime, fall time, summertime. It's definitely a capsule piece. I like it. I don't know if I want a little bit more puff like on the side action, but it's definitely a good piece to start to have in your capsule collection for sure. This is another one of the half tops. This is definitely going to probably get returned too because this one's not really, it's a little tight. I don't know, like if it's because I don't want it to be too big, but I also don't want it to look like, girl, you busting out of them clothes, okay? But this is definitely a cute top, definitely giving summertime outside vibes for sure. Very cutesy, very cutesy. I love the quality of this. Again, I love the side action that it has going on. So this is definitely a piece that I will be adding to or keeping in my closet, but we're going to get a bigger size. Okay, so that is the end of my Pretty Little Thing try on haul. I am going to return some of these pieces because I got the tops a little too small. I got them in a size 6. Probably can definitely do the 8, especially with the corset type tops because they fit very tight and I want to have like a little bit of breathing room, but I also still want it to fit my body. So we'll see how the 8 fit when they come, but we definitely got to return some of these items for short ski, especially my pants. My sweatpants, I got them in a size small. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know if I actually did that, but yeah, I knew better if I did get a size small. But I hope you guys enjoy this series of me rebuilding my capsule wardrobe. And hopefully you can get some ideas if you are looking to rebuild your capsule wardrobe as well. And thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure, baby girl.